Some people frequently experience headaches when work at the office piles up, lecture assignments have deadlines, and there is not enough sleep. It is common for people to experience this condition. The first line of defense for treating headaches may be medication. However, you should try some alternative methods of handling it, like getting a massage. Body parts known as pressure points are thought to be particularly sensitive, and capable of inducing a calming effect on the body. Reflexology practitioners believe that by in some way pressing on pressure points on the body, certain physical ills can be resolved. Following are how to relieve headache and neck pain using acupressure points.
There are basically 2 points on the hands and then 2 points locally around the neck and shoulders. The first point is located between the thumb and index finger. Put your thumb and index finger together, and at the highest point of the muscle, relax and pinch from below and above and get a tender achy sensation right in that area. And that's a therapeutic effect. Try doing that for 15 to 30 seconds. There's another point located in between the fourth and fifth fingers. You want to use your thumb right in that depression, stimulate that tender achy sensation once again, and do that for 15 to 30 seconds, especially if you have symptoms on both sides of your neck and or head. There are finally 2 other points along the neck and shoulders, one located along the trapezius muscle at the midpoint of the muscle right here, and you'll find a tight band around there, and you want to press with your middle and index finger and find that tender achy sensation once again. You can cross your arms and do it on both sides as well, and then kind of work your way up and down that muscle. There's one last point along the base of your skull. What you can do is interlace your fingers like so, and then using your thumbs, go ahead and place them right over the area or the spot behind the back of your head, and then press those tight, tender spots. Doing a combination of all 4 of those acupressure points can be helpful for treating your neck pain and or headache.